Chandrasekhar. Sir, we are happy to introduce Shri Chandrasekhar sir here, the fire officer, Philimnagar Fire Station, to Jubilee Public School. He has immediately given the consent and agreed to come and demonstrate along with his team regarding fire safety. So welcome to all the team members of Philimnagar Fire Station.
My name is Chandrasekhar. I am fire officer here. So we are firefighters basically. We are here to let you know or teach you what is a fire, how to behave yourself in a fire accident. Okay. If there is a fire accident, which number we call on? So 101. So 101, that fire vehicle, the nearest fire vehicle will come and address your problem. Or if there is a fire, they will try to put off. Okay. So if there is a fire, imagine if there is a fire accident and you yourself got stuck in a room. Okay, you got stuck in a room. What should you do? You should have a kerchief or a hanky and place on your nose. You come out of the room. You should not walk. You should not walk because smoke always flies high. It's on the top. All poisonous gases will be on the top. You try to hide yourself beneath. Crawl. Full crawl. That is enough. Full crawl. Crawl. Alright. Look straight. Alright. This is very important. I'll tell you why. So you should come out of like that. And as I told you, you should have a kerchief on your nose. With if it is possible, put it in a water, drench it, and put it on your nose. In a fire accident, what happens? Suppose आपका कुछ ऐसा ही कपड़ा जल गया, तो your mind will be blocked. So in a tense situation, you try to run away from here and there. You should not run. We will always tell we should not run. You should stop, immediately stop and drop on the floor and roll over. So I'm fast. So immediately you should fall on the floor, cover your face and roll fast. Left, right, good, enough. So that's how we do it. Okay, that's how we do it. What happens if you run? When you run faster, the air or the oxygen will supply it more to the fire, then the injuries or the burns percentage will be more. So we always ask to stop, drop and roll. Okay. Good. See, imagine this person has got stuck in a third floor building. So his leg has got injured. So, two hands. So we are bringing him down. So you can bring him down like this. He's injured or he's unconscious. This side. Show the. So this is how we try. It's a seat method we call it as. So imagine first cradle do. And this is one more method, cradle method. So this is the easiest method. You can just, up, so jao. Right, like that. Aram se. So this is a cradle method. We can rescue a person from any floors of the building. Right, fight. See, if in an accident, if someone is injured or his stomach has got burnt or if his back has got burnt, we can rescue a person like this. See, these are all methods being shown to you that some methods you can use if in case of an emergency, if it is really required. So this is a pick-a-back reverse. Imagine his backside has got burnt or received injuries. You can rescue a person like this. These are all general methods we all know, but still we are showing you so that you can imagine pick-a-back reverse. If his stomach has got injuries or burns, आराम से सो जाओ. Advait, आराम से सो जाओ. Right. Enough. Okay, fine. See, imagine if a person is unconscious, and this is a standard method. It is called as fireman lift. We can bring down any patient or any unconscious person from any kind of floor, any number of floors during this using this method. It is called as fireman lift. No, Babu, relax for now. Happy to work. Chalo. Okay, fine. So this is the fireman lift. This is the fireman lift. So it is very easy for a rescuer also to pull a person or to move a person from one place to another place or to a safer place using this method. This is a cross. So you can just. So imagine this person is unconscious. We have brought him down from a different floors, and we are trying to see if he is alive or not. Okay. Now how do we check whether a person is alive or not? Check his pulse. Fine. So you all have a basic idea. So we try to see the breathe. Okay. We try to see the breathe like putting a finger on his nose. If he is breathing, then it is fine. Okay. Just move around and wait for the ambulance. If he is not breathing, try to check his pulse. Try to check his pulse. Like where you can check the pulse is hold your neck like this. Hold your leg like this. Neck. Can you feel your pulse? No? No? If you are sitting here means you should feel your pulse. Is it or not? Can you feel your pulse? So try to do that. If you can feel your pulse, then there is a supply of blood from the heart to the whole of the body. If it is not, then we try to do a CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So we try to do that CPR. So if still the pulse is not there, so we try to do a CPR. See, this is just for your knowledge. This is just for your knowledge. It is not that you going to do it, but this is just for your knowledge. A, B, C, and D. These are all written. So A class, which shall be used on carbonaceous fires, whichever burns and becomes ash. So on this A, that is called as A class fires. B is oil fires. As I have told you, oil fires. B is oil fires. Gaseous fires. C are gaseous fires, and metal, and so on. So any fire extinguisher will have these kind of labeling written on it. But now imagine there is a fire accident and you want to use a fire extinguisher. Can we remember that this is a class fire, B class fire? This and all, it's not possible. Okay. So these are called universal extinguishers. Universal fire extinguishers which can be used on any fires. So imagine if there is a computer fire, you can use it. Imagine if there is oil fire, you can use it. Imagine if there is another kind of fire also, you can use it. So do you know how to use a fire extinguisher? How to use it? Okay. So anyone will have a portable, a safety pin. It will have a safety pin. Okay. So remember pass, 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 fail, pass, fail. So it's a pass. It will have a safety pin. We must pull the safety pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the lever. It will have a lever, squeeze it and sweep on it. We'll show how it works. But remember, it's a pass. Not now, we'll do it later. So when you squeeze the lever, whatever is there inside, it will come out. This is this is a carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide type of extinguisher. As I've said, these and this can be used on all kinds of different kinds of fires. We'll show how. We'll let you know how it works. Class. Okay, open it, Paraj. Now if you take this much time, everything will get burnt. Open, fast. Very nice, very good. Any teacher, any handle, Chupin, madam. Fast, madam, fast. Fine, done. Good. Very good. Open. Fine. Very good. Regulator. That's it. हो गया ना? इसको फायर इंजन बुलाने की जरूरत है नहीं है. तो if there is a leakage in a cylinder, just if you have a regulator, try to switch off the regulator. Go and try to switch off the regulator. Okay. The regulator itself has got burnt. If the regulator itself has got burnt, what can we do? Regulator भी जल गया और इसको regulator off करने का chance नहीं है. तो we can take a blanket or a towel, whatever it is, try to, put it in the water first. Don't try to throw it away on the cylinder. Put it in the water, drench it properly, and from behind you close it like that. So you can close down the flame. LPG cylinder is very safe unless and until you handle it very properly. And tell to your parents once you go home. Will you tell or not? Yes. LPG cylinder will not blast by its own. What happens if there is a leakage? There is a leakage in in your home. The gas will totally fill in the room light, or when you switch off anything, the accumulated gas will blast. It is like a mushroom effect. It will blast. Understood? Fine. So that is a LPG safety. And right side, if you see on the right side, this is a typical fire engine. Please look on the right side. 4,500 liters of water. Behind, on the back of the fire engine, there is a pump fitted to it. So there are different branches, different hose pipes in the fire engine. So according to the gravity of the fire, according to the depth of the fire, the firefighters use the different hoses and different branches on different fires. So we'll demonstrate how a hose pipe works, how a hose branches work. You please try to look on the right side. We'll try to show the demonstration of the fire engine. You try to fight the fire using a fire extinguisher, and this is a fire engine. So this is the total demonstration of this is the drill. See, drill, if you practice drill perfectly, if you know how to use a fire extinguisher, we can avoid most of the fire accidents.
Thank you, Mr. Chandrasekhar, and thanks to all the fire safety department personnel here who have come to JHPS to demonstrate and also make us aware how to tackle in any situation where there is fire. So this is the awareness we have created in JHPS, and this knowledge you can share with your parents, with your friends and with your relatives.